Wondering when to schedule your Christmas lighting install? At Wheatley Creek Services, the earlier, the better. Our professional Christmas lighting installations can start as early as September, giving you the most flexible scheduling options and the best chance to secure your preferred dates. As we head into November, our schedule becomes packed, especially after Thanksgiving when demand peaks. Booking ahead ensures you get the perfect installation time and can enjoy your holiday lights all season long without the last-minute rush. Our expert team handles everything from design to installation and even takedown, ensuring your home looks festive, bright, and safe. We use high-quality, energy-efficient lights that withstand harsh winter weather and guarantee your satisfaction. Avoid the hassle and danger of climbing ladders in the snow. Let us take care of it for you. Secure your spot today by calling 970-531-1308 or visiting Wheatley Creek.